Sir, now I request that candidates be awarded medals and prizes as per the list. Sri Sivasis Mishra is awarded IRT BHU Varanasi Medal for standing first at MTech in Biochemical Engineering Examination 2022. Ms. Abhirami S. is awarded IIT BHU Varanasi Medal MTech in Biomedical Engineering Examination 2022. Ms. Lakshmi R. is awarded IIT BHU Varanasi Medal MTech in Ceramic Engineering Examination 2022. Sri Rituraj Bharadwaj is awarded IIT BHU Varanasi Medal MTech in Chemical Engineering Examination 2022. Ms. Ishwari P. Shivankar is awarded IIT BHU Varanasi Medal MTech in Civil Engineering Examination 2022 and RPC IRSC Gold Medal in Civil Engineering Examination 2022. Sri Sheikh Suhail Fazl Mahmud is awarded IIT BHU Varanasi Medal MTech in Decision Science and Engineering Examination 2022. Sri Amritanshu Ruhela is awarded IIT BHU Varanasi Medal MTech in Electrical Engineering Examination 2022. Sri Gauri Shankar Kara is awarded TN Srivastava Memorial Centenary Award MTech in Electrical Engineering Examination 2022. Mrs. Madhavi Chandra is awarded IIT BHU Varanasi Medal MTech in Electronics Engineering Examination 2022. Sri Vishal Goyal is awarded Sanjeev Memorial Gold Medal MTech in Electronics Engineering Digital Technology and Instrumentation Examination 2022. Sri Dupesh Kumar Dubey is awarded IIT BHU Varanasi Medal MTech in Material Science and Technology Examination 2022. Ms. Diksha Garg is awarded IIT BHU Varanasi Medal MTech in Mechanical Engineering Examination 2022 and Mahendra Kumar Jain Narayacharya Gold Medal MTech in Mechanical Engineering Examination 2022. Sri Pramod Kumar Yadav is awarded SK Memorial Gold Medal MTech in Mechanical Engineering Machine Design Examination 2022. Ms. Ganapati Raju Padmini is awarded IIT BHU Varanasi Medal MTech in Metallurgical Engineering Examination 2022. Ms. Ankita is awarded IIT BHU Varanasi Medal MTech in Mining Engineering Examination 2022. Sri Jogendra Shapkale is awarded IIT BHU Varanasi Medal MTech in System Engineering Examination 2022. Sri Ajay Modi is awarded IIT BHU Varanasi Medal M Farm Examination 2002. JN Kapoor Gold Medal M Farm Examination 2022. Ms. Akansha Sharma is awarded IIT BHU Varanasi Medal MSc in Chemistry Examination 2022. Ms. Nilakshi Senapati is awarded IIT BHU Varanasi Medal MSc in Physics Examination 2022. Sri Neeraj Mohitra is awarded IIT BHU Varanasi Medal 5-year IDD BTech MTech in Biochemical Engineering and Biotechnology Examination 2022. Ms. Palak Chaudhary is awarded IIT BHU Varanasi Medal 5-year IDD in Bioengineering Biomedical Technology Examination 2022. Sri Ajit Kumar is awarded IIT BHU Varanasi Medal 5-year IDD BTech MTech in Ceramic Engineering Examination 2022. Ms. Akanksha Rajput is awarded IIT BHU Varanasi Medal 5-year IDD BTech in Chemistry Examination, Industrial Chemistry Examination 2022. Sri Taj Ahmad Qureshi Gold Medal in Industrial Chemistry Examination 2022. Sri Ayush Kumar Singh is awarded IIT BHU Varanasi Medal 5-year IDD BTech in Civil Engineering Examination 2022. Sri Mihil Gupta is awarded IIT BHU Varanasi Medal 5-year IDD BTech MTech in Computer Science and Engineering Examination 2022. Sri Chandrakant is awarded IIT BHU Varanasi Medal 5-year IDD in Electrical Engineering Power Electronics Examination 2022. Sri Abhinav Sharma is awarded IIT BHU Varanasi Medal 5-year IDD in Material Science and Technology Examination 2022. Sri Shaurya Srivastava is awarded IIT BHU Varanasi Medal 5-year IDD in Mathematics and Computing Examination 2022. Sri Naman Kaushik is awarded IIT BHU Varanasi Medal 5-year IDD in Mechanical Engineering Examination 2022. Sri Arpit Gupta is awarded IIT BHU Varanasi Medal 5-year IDD in Metallurgical Engineering Examination 2022. Sri Dhruva Karir is awarded IIT BHU Varanasi Medal 5-year IDD in Mining Engineering Examination 2022. Sri N. Narsiv Sinha is awarded IIT BHU Varanasi Medal 5-year IDD in Pharmaceutical Engineering and Technology Examination 2022. Sri Aditya Chandra is awarded IIT BHU Varanasi Medal, BTech in Ceramic Engineering Examination 2022, Harbams Gokul Memorial Gold Medal in Electronics and Ceramic Engineering Examination 2022. Sri S. Balaraj Appakel awarded IIT BHU Varanasi Medal, the RBG Modi Medal, Manish Sharma Memorial Gold Medal, Miss Gargi Devi Trivedi Memorial Gold Medal, Professor Y.D. Upadhyay Memorial Gold Medal, Dr. R.G. Rathi Financial Award, Manish Sharma Memorial Gold Medal, BTech in Chemical Engineering Examination 2022. Miss Tejvista Som is awarded Professor B.B. Bansal Memorial Gold Medal for being involved in social services, co-curricular activities and having highest CPI at the undergraduate engineering examination 2022 among such students. Srimati Indra Tripathi Gold Medal in Chemical Engineering Examination 2022. Sri Rajat Kushwaha is awarded IIT Varanasi Medal, CRS Iyengar Memorial Gold Medal, Raj Bahadur Tarappa Gur Memorial Award, and late Manoranjan Sen Gupta Platinum Jubilee Award in the Civil Engineering Examination 2022. Miss Priyansa Verma awarded Meenakshi Sankalata Prize, cash prize for highest marks in environmental engineering, BTech in Civil Engineering Examination 2022. Sri Ganesh Jaiswal, Srimati Bimla Agarwal Medal, Srimati Bimla Agarwal Cash Prize in Civil Engineering Examination 2022. Miss Avani Singh is awarded Srimati Indra Tripathi Gold Medal, BTech in Civil Engineering Examination 2022. Sri Ashish Kumar is awarded IIT BHU Varanasi Medal, C. Raja Gopal Memorial Gold Medal, BTech 4-year Computer Science and Engineering Examination 2022. Miss Agarwal Shalini Naresh Kumar is awarded Srimati Indra Tripathi Gold Medal for securing highest CPI among all the girls students at the BTech in Computer Science and Engineering Examination 2022. Sri Ashwini Srivastava is awarded IIT BHU Varanasi Medal, the RBG Modi Medal, Lala Balak Ramji Kohinoor Memorial Gold Medal, Hemant Narayan Singh Memorial Gold Medal, CRS Iyengar Memorial Gold Medal, NVR Nageshwar Iyer, late Professor Manoranjan Sen Gupta Platinum Jubilee Merit Award, Electrical Engineering Examination 2022. Sri Pratik Chaturvedi is awarded Sri Om Prakash Agarwal Medal, Sri Om Prakash Agarwal Cash Prize in the Electrical Engineering Examination 2022. Ms. Manu Gupta is awarded Srimati Indra Tripathi Gold Medal for securing highest CPI among the girls students at BTech in Electrical Engineering Examination 2022. Sri Piyush Saran is awarded IIT BHU Varanasi Medal, late Professor Nagesh Chandra Vaidya Gold Medal, Dr. late Nandita Sahar Rai Memorial Gold Medal, C. Raja Gopal Memorial Gold Medal, Dr. Ayangri Simarai Prize, late Professor Manoranjan Sen Gupta Platinum Jubilee Merit Award, BTech in Electronic Engineering Examination 2022. Sri Achint Kulsestra is awarded Professor A.K. Ghosh Silver Medal for standing second position in BTech in Electronics Engineering Examination 2020. Ms. Astha Maurya is awarded IIT BHU Varanasi Medal, the Prince of Wales Medal, Sudhir Kumar Sharma Memorial Gold Medal, CRS Iyengar Memorial Gold Medal, Srimati Indra Tripathi Gold Medal, late Professor Manoranjan Sen Gupta Platinum Jubilee Merit Award, BTech in Mechanical Engineering Examination 2022. Sri Kshitij Gupta is awarded IIT BHU Varanasi Medal, the Bishan Das Basil Medal, Swarnama Memorial Gold Medal, Sri Aditya Kumar Avasthi Endowment Award, BTech in Metallurgical Engineering Examination 2022. Ms. Amit Indrukya, she is awarded Srimati Indra Tripathi Gold Medal for securing higher CPI among the girls students, BTech in Metallurgical Engineering Examination. Sri Gopi Kumar, he is awarded Miss Indra Anantagari Endowment Fund Prize, Metallurgical Engineering Examination 2022. Sri Sanjay Kumar is awarded IIT BHU Varanasi Medal, Dr. B.S. Burma Memorial Gold Medal, BTech Mining Engineering Examination 2022. Ms. Shloka Negi, IIT BHU Varanasi Medal, late Sri Shyam Sundar Lal Gan Memorial Gold Medal, Professor Gopal Tripathi Memorial Gold Medal, Srimati Aarti Paul and Professor Vinod Bihari, Umesh Pratap Singh Gold Medal, late Dr. RNC Gold Medal, Aruna and Malviya Medal, late Sundari Devi Gold Medal, Sri Jain Kapoor Gold Medal, Sri Raj Kishore Kapoor Silver Medal, Sri Annie Besant Prize, late Professor G.P. Srivastava, BTech in Pharmaceutical Engineering and Technology Examination 2022. Sir, now I request that two candidates be awarded medal for their best achievements in the institute. Ms. Shloka Negi, President Gold Medal for outstanding performance in academic among all disciplines of BTech Examination 2022. Ms. Shloka Negi was ranked first in the BTech Pharmaceutical Engineering and Technology, as well as secured the first position at the institute level. She has published 2 publications in international journal during a study in BTech Pharmaceutical Engineering and Technology. For her outstanding performance in academic among all disciplines of BTech, Ms. Shloka Negi is awarded the President Gold Medal 2022. Ms. Ishita Asthana is awarded Director Gold Medal for outstanding all-round performance and excellent organizational ability and leadership among qualities among all BTech graduates of 2022. Ms. Ishita Asthana is being awarded Director Gold Medal for outstanding all-round performance and excellent organizational ability and leadership quality among all disciplines of BTech programs 2022.